Justin DePaul, Round Rock Toyota. I work for Penske Automotive Group. Class that we took for this last 5 days has been absolutely fantastic. I love that I'm going to be able to take a lot of these best practices that a company like Proactive puts together, a lot of the information, being able to collectively share ideas amongst 10, 15 other sales managers, as well as BDC reps and agents. It's nice to see and hear different things and what different approaches and how people look at things, from the box, I guess you can say, outside the box looking in. But at the same time, the ideas that I'm going to be able to implement into my dealership is only going to make my BDC reps or my internet sales team more efficient, more successful. So I'm actually glad I got to take this class. I look forward to this 6-month kickoff that we're about to do. So it's just going to be it's next level, looking to take everything to the top. So appreciate it, everything. Definitely would like to take another one if things do change and there's other plans that we can put in place. But like I said, awesome takeaways, and I'm really glad I came.